Good job, guys.
It's a party in the USA!
Woo! Last day of school.
It's a party in the USA.
Why don't you say it's the last day of school?
No.
Oh no, doesn't sound good. Okay.
Yes, the day of school. And the last day of school. Something
Party,
funky.
party.
Something's what you like booger.
Booger?
Yeah, like
Mole, maybe? Let me see.
I'm just kidding. Say no.
You trick.
tricky?
That Play-Doh was in the bin and he got it from the bin. Give it to me. Bail. Batang bail. Alright, sige na. Good morning. Happy Friday. Tapos ko na guys yung kanilang lunch and brain food. Brain food lang sana kasi half day lang sila. But, pupunta sila sa bahay ng pinsan nila after. So, Sharon wanted to pick them up. Tapos sabi niya, pwede ko ba silang dalhin sa bahay ng pinsan nila para magka-banding-banding sila. Kasi aalis si Sharon next 2 weeks. Alis na naman siya guys. So, mamimiss niya yung mga bata. So, she wants to spend time with them. So, sabi ko, sure, of course. Banding kami ni Dee. Habang sila nagbabanding with their cousins. Sige na guys, I can hear Daddy. Daddy's having a shower.
That's not the first that happened.
Ate, help!
That's not the first that happened.
That's not supposed to happen. Ooh, is that fun, Didi? Okay, okay. Just be gentle. Ah, she likes it. Dang. What? No, I'm not doing that to you. Ate can do it because she's shorter than Mama. Hello?
You want to spin around in a circle?
Oh no! Mukha ay. Tuwang-tuwa. No, Ate said you're supposed to be dancing. Go dance. Dance? Ate will teach you how to dance. Tinanong siya ni Ayla, what do you wanna do? Gymnastics or dancing? And she said, dance. You wanna dance? Go dance with Ate. Up. Go up.
I'll take you down how to do that, okay?
Okay. Go up. Up and dance. Go dance. Ate will teach you how to dance.
Yeah?
Ate's got some dance moves for you. Look.
Yeah, I remember everything. I remember only a little bit.
Okay.
Ready? What we're going to do is run around the stage. And
Ooh.
you're going to high five.
High five.
We're going to jump.
Oh.
And then we're going to grab hands.
Grab hands and turn around.
And we're going to jump. And then spin around the circle. And then don't my ballet. I didn't really do this in ballet.
No, you didn't do ballet. Yeah. Oh.
Get up. And then they're going to start dancing.
Good job, Indy. Good dancing. Ito. Oh. Kembot mo. Kumembot ka. That's good. Well done, Ayla. Isus. Ang dalaging ding. Isus. Nagrampa ng dalaging ding dun.
Now what we're going to do is change your next clothes.
Oh, wow. Change clothes daw.
Did you say yes?
Bye-bye.
My daddy. Blow kiss. Bye, kids. Bye. Bye. Love you. Bye. Bye. We'll wait for Daddy to come home and then we will go, okay?
Wait.
Yeah. What are you gonna do now?
Wait.
Hmm? Where are you going? Huh? Hand? Why? Where are we going? Where are we going? What do you want to do? Oh, do you want to watch TV?
G.
TV. Okay.
I.
Eyes. Here, I can give you something. Eyes. Here. Lash curler. Yeah, I've got a tiny one for you. See? Wow! Is that fun? You want to tell the guys what's happening?
Okay.
Hi guys, where are we going, Dee?
I.
It's for eyes, yeah. It's for Indy's eyes. Where are we going? Hmm? Shops? Say shops. Oh, no, no, leave it, thank you. Leave it, thank you. Leave it, thank you. Leave it.
Leave it.
Alright, push to close. Thank you, Dee. So we have plenty of time. We have 40 minutes left. It is now 8:46. And sabi ni Dan, he will be back 9:30 na daw. So drop niya yung mga bata. And then may dadaanan lang siya saglit. And then balik siya dito sa bahay. So he's still using my car. Kasi naka-loan car pa din siya, guys.
Mama, dit. Dit.
So, yung car niya, available na naman. Meron lang kasi siyang mga, pinadagdag ba. So, nandun na yung car niya, kaya lang meron pang mga ilalagay na mga additional nga sa kanyang car. Tapos, kapag nakuha na niya yung car niya, papalitan pa niya yun ng tires kasi gusto niya ng malalaking tires. So, that's why naka-loan car pa din siya ngayon and wala nga car seat yung loan car. What is it that you want? This? This? Necklace? Okay, sige. What is it? Pero sabi daw, baka today. Baka. Ah, the brush. Okay, you can have. Can I give you the other brush?
Mama.
Here, I'll give you this. See, big one.
Mama.
This?
Dit.
Okay, sige.
Dit.
Yeah, we can't open this one. I'm sorry. It's hard to open. Hard to open.
Mama.
Baby. Oh, by the way, punta kami ni Dee sa Burnside. Huling hirit na gala naming dalawa, guys. Before mag-school holidays. So, yung plano ko talaga sana, nung Wednesday, Thursday, at saka ngayon, Friday, aalis kami ni Dee. Like, araw-araw kami aalis. Parang masulit na, alam mo yun, makagala-gala kami, makatingin-tingin si Mami. Nang kami lang dalawa. Kasi nga, school holidays na. Kung lalabas man kami, sa playground kami pupunta, hindi kami like sa shops, alam mo yun. It will be harder kasi nga, may 3 bata na. Yun yung plano ko. Kaya lang yesterday, the weather was really bad. Wednesday was bad as well, but we still went out. But kahapon kasi, meron kasi kaming pick up din. Ang ganda niyang blush na yan, ha? Ang dali lang i-blend. Ano yun? Juicy Pang na blush. No, I said no. Ay, nakuha niya. Ang galing pa naman ito mag-open. Ah! I knew it! Ang bilis ng mga kamay! Show the guys. Tingnan nyo, naka-blush na. Oh, good blush! Sus. Ay, hala, kumalat na agad di. Kumalat na agad dito di. Nag-blush na din ang ating... Ay, naku, Inday naman talaga. Okay, thank you.
Mama, big.
Yes.
Mama,
Yes.
big.
You want some? Spray.
Mama, big.
This one? Ito yung naubos ko.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mama, big.
Yeah, your turn. Oh my gosh. You smell good. I love it. Ang gwapuhan mo. Ay, you're so pretty. It's gone. We're finished. I don't know what I was saying anymore, guys. Hindi ko na alam. Your ice cream is there. Do you want to play with your ice cream?
No.
No. Okay. Let's just tie here then, okay? You sit down, I'll tie here. Really nice hair, kulot. I love your kulot hair. So pretty. Annoying. Look at that. Kakainis. Oh. Let's check this package. This is from... what's that? Temu. Okay. So, next term, pagbalik nila Ayla sa school, they will do the 100-year-old dress up. So, yung ginawa ko, nung na-receive ko yung memo about doon, nag-order agad ako guys sa Temu. So, ano siya, merong glasses, ang cute! Merong necklace, merong wig cap, and a wig. But then, in-order ko na to, diba? But then, I realized, I don't think magugustuhan ni Ayla yung wig. Kasi, like, extra fabric nga lang sa neck. Ano na siya, nagre-reklamo na siya. Like, sabi ko, wig pa kaya? So, alam niyo yung ginawa ko?
Mama.
Nag-order ako guys ng ano na lang. Nag-order ako ng iba. Yung hairspray na lang. Para spray ko na lang yung buhok niya. Oh my gosh, si Indy. Hello! That's hair. Wow! Indy, let me see. Punta siya sa mirror. Oh my gosh, Indy, you have to show Daddy this. Let me see. Hair. Yeah, that's hair for you. Do you want it? Alright, give it to Mama. Wait, come on. Hala, ayaw na ipahubad. You working? Are you an old lady working? Oh. Ay, nakain. You have to show that to Daddy later. You guys, she's ready to go. I love the shoes, baby. May bag pa. Uy, come back. Suot-suot niya yung shoes ni Kuya. Hindi ko pa siya sinasapatusan kasi wala pa si Daddy. We're not leaving yet. So, pumunta siya dun sa shoe cabinet and she got shoes herself. And got my bag. Guys, we are here. Liko lang tayo. And then sa car park na tayo, guys. Baby! Baby, we're here, okay? Yay! Ba! So, I don't know what we're doing, baby. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Gusto ko lang talaga lumabas. Yun nga, huling labas namin ni before ang school holidays. Tas timing din kasi si Sharon nga yung pipick up sa mga bata. So, sa Burnside tayo kasi sabi nga daw uulan. Eh, wala namang ulan. Punta tayo dun sa lagi nating pinaparkan. Oh, look at all this space. Amazing. Love it. Seriously, they have the best pram parking. The best. Kasi ang laki niya talaga. Laki talaga ng car parking nila. I mean, pram parking. Okay. See guys, just look at that space. Yan pa yung space ko. Tapos malaki pa yung space sa kabila. Tignan nyo ha. See? Ang galing. Tapos nandito lang sa harap yung lift. Zara tayo. Naka-sale sila ngayon. Guys, nandun na kami sa taas. Pabalik na kami sa baba. May mga itatry lang ako. Wala ako masyadong bet. Alam mo yun? Or baka wala lang akong gana. I don't know. Up! Nandito kami sa maliit kasi hindi available yung malaki.
Mama.
Okay, up. Perfect. Wala na ngang space. Come on. Tingnan nyo siya. Ito yung ano ko guys, yung nagustuhan ko na white na meron ako. Hindi ko lang alam anong size kasi may black sila oh. Gusto ko sana kunin yung black. Ayoko na magsukat. Galing na ako dun. May brown din. And meron ding ganito din. Maganda yung fit niyan. Kasi hindi din siya ganun kahaba. So, perfect lang. Kunin ko to. Tinry ko yan. Kunin ko yan. Uy, hindi. Hello. Let's go.
Hi guys.
Let's go. Follow mama. This way. This way.
Hi. Good. Hello. Oh, yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi.
What are you saying to them? Tingnan nyo siya guys. Bilis pa naman maglakad. Huy, this way! Uniqlo tayo. Come on. Dito kami sa Uniqlo fitting room. Laki ng fitting room nila. Kasi nakita nila na meron akong D. Ayan guys, naka-phone na. Kasi yung gulo-gulo niya kanina. Ang daming tao. Gusto ko i-try yung kanilang cashmere. Yung 100% cashmere nila ng mga jumper. Tapos may cardigan din. So, i-try natin. Give mommy phone. I will play. Oh, sige. You can play here. No one's here. Ready? Yay! Oh no! This is the cashmere double XS. No, don't open. Don't open. Ikaw. Tingnan mo siya. Itong kulay. It's supposed to be really warm eh. Simpulan lang no. Try ko yung XS. This is the XS. See, mas okay yung fit ng isa, no? Masyado na tong malaki. Tapos mahaba yung sleeve. Pero ang problema, do they shrink? I don't have any 100% cashmere na ano. Jumper. Parang mas okay yung fit ng isa. Kinuha ko tong ganitong kulay kasi gusto ko itry. Ito yung XS na cardigan style naman siya. Mas maikli to. It's warm. Kahit naman nipis siya, it's warm. I can feel it. Maganda din tong kulay na to sa akin. I also got it in gray. Size, anong size ka? Anong size to? Small. Okay, try natin. Mas okay yung fit ng small. Sa cardigan style. Pero mas maganda yung kulay kanina, no? We're heading back to the car. O, diba? Ang bilis natin. Nagmamadali si D. Tapos ayoko ding matulog siya. Gusto ko sa bahay siya matulog. Last time umalis tayo, nakatulog siya saglit sa shops and then hindi na siya natulog sa bahay. And gusto ko siya matulog mamaya. After ng Uniqlo, dumaan kaming Tony and Marks. And then dun sa Seafood Deli. And then we're good. I know, baby. I know. Stay awake, ha? And then we can eat sushi at home. Does that sound fun? Hindi na siya happy dun sa Uniqlo. Boosh! More? Okay. Just wait. Ang bilis naman, babe. Hindi pa nga ako More strawberry? Okay, just wait, okay? Just keep waiting, baby D. Do you wanna sing Baby Shark? Let's sing Baby Shark. Play Baby Shark. Kain tayo dito guys habang tulog si B. Tapos diretso mo yan sa bed. Tignan mo mukha. Okay, sorry. Hey. Indy's favorite sushi. Yummy in my belly. Well done. Hindi natulog. Tinransfer ko sa bed. Ayaw na matulog guys. Ito na nangyayari sa atin. Nababawasan na ang naps. This is the tuna salad sandwich. She likes this. Well done. Very good eating. Okay, wait. You wanna hold it? Okay. Alright. There you go. Well, you stay there. Stay there, okay? So yummy, right? Oopsie. Yeah, stay there because you're gonna make a mess. Para isang lugar lang yung lilinisin natin. Buyag biya na mong Inday, ay? Indy's here today. So good. Very good eating. Wow. Hey! What's that? So sa Tony and Mark's, bumili ako strawberry, guys. Doon ko nabili yung papaya last time na gustong-gusto ko. So I got another small one. And I got bok choy because I will be making salmon. Ginataang salmon. Paksiw na salmon na may gata mamaya for dinner. So I got talong, 2 sili, ginger, and itong cheese. Oh, good job. Oh, finished. Itong cheese, nagpaano si kuya doon, nagpa-taste test siya ba ng 2 klaseng cheese actually. This is their truffle manchego. And tinry ko yung 2 cheese, nagustuhan ko actually yung 2. Kaya lang yung truffle lang yung binili ko. Kasi baka hindi ko maubos.
Mama.
So he had it on the wafer biscuit, and it was really good. This is really nice. Huh?
Mama.
And then I got kiwi, yung golden kiwi. Yan yung gusto ko, yung gold. And then nandito yung salmon.
Mama.
Huh?
Mama.
What is it?
Mama.
A strawberry? Yes?
Yeah.
Yay! Alright, I'll give you strawberry. Wait. Let me clean up. What do you want again? Strawberries. Good talking. Alright, I'll give you strawberries. Okay, get a bowl, go. Get a bowl. Very, very good. There you go. Good job. Alright. Strawberry. Oh! The bowl. Silly Billy. Wait. Mommy, take the leaves off. Wait. Ikaw, masyado excited. Wait. Alright, what do you say? You're welcome. And then, bumili ako ng sugared peanuts from Charlesburg. Dinalawa ko ng bags. Mahilig si Arlo, guys, sa peanuts. And iniisip ko, pang snacking namin. Si Arlo, favorite to. Favorite niya lahat ng peanuts, actually. Ibang klase ng peanuts. He loves peanuts. So, I got 2 packs of 250 grams each. And then, ito lang yung nabili natin. So, in fairness, bumili ako for me this time. Bumili ako ng Heat Tech. This is from the kids section. So, I got the 9 to 10 kasi ito yung kasya sa akin, guys. I did try the Heat Tech from the women. Kaya lang malaki talaga siya sa akin. Mahaba pati. So, ito, tama lang. Hindi siya sobrang haba. Tama lang talaga yung length niya. Tapos kasya din siya sa akin. So, kinuha ko yung naka-display nila doon. Kasi ito, hindi mo siya matatanggal, hindi mo siya matatry eh. Pero tinanong ko si ate, sabi ko, pwede ko bang kunin tong display? I-try ko lang. Sabi niya, yeah, no problem. Yeah, so buti na lang tinry ko, guys. Kasi kukunin ko na sana yung size 11-12 ata nito. Yun na yung nakalagay sa pram ko. Buti na lang tinry ko. So, kasyang-kasya lang siya sa akin. Size 9 to 10. So, I got it in white and in black. Kasi nung napunta ako last time, tapos sabi ko kay Dan, oh, ito yung binili ko. Alam mo yung papakita mo sa asawa mo yung mga binili mo. Tapos sabi niya, bumili ka ba na para sa'yo? Sabi ko, hindi. Sabi niya, kailangan mo yan. Lalamigin ka. Punta kasi kaming Ballarat next weekend. And malamig dun. Apakalamig dun. Meron naman akong Heat Tech, kaya lang ano siya, turtleneck. So ito crew neck. Siguro mas magagamit ko to siya under like jumpers. Yung kasi hindi ko siya magagamit under jumpers because lalabas yung turtleneck nga kasi yun. And then from Zara, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, guys. Timing na timing, naka-sale. Hindi ito pang winter. This is for summer. Alam niyo naman mga bet ko itong mga ganitong style. Flowy lang. And naka-sale pa siya. So, more strawberries. Hala, di mauubos yung strawberries natin. Alright, here baby. Here. Oh, you know what? We forgot to turn on the dishwasher. Oh, here. Come on. Hello. What are you eating? Kumakain ng chicken nuggets, guys. It is already 5:04 ng hapon. Careful! Careful! Nagpe-prepare na ako ng dinner. Dinner nating lahat. Ito yung kakainin natin, ha? Well, except Daddy. Merong ready-made meal si Daddy. But this is our food, okay? Susubuan ko lang yung kids para kumain sila nito. I will make the... Hala! Hindi ko man hindi na. Do I have coconut? Ay, nako. Ayaw ko sa'yo, Day. Wala na. Hindi na tayo maka-vlog. Mommy needs a new camera? How many cameras does Mommy need? Lots and lots? Yes? Sit. And we move there, okay? Ready? What are you gonna bring? Your food? Go. yung kinakain niya is yung tira ng kanyang ate at kuya. Hindi sila kumain ng lunch kasi si Nana nagdala ng lunch. Nagpunta nga kasi sila sa bahay ng pinsan nila, diba? Pinabaunan ko sila ng lunch para... Uy, ano ba yan? Para hindi na mag-isip si Auntie Ann ng ipapakain sa kanila. Eh wala, si Nana din, nagdala din pala. And same yung dinala niya, chicken nuggets. Tapos hindi niya kasi alam na may dala pala, may baon pala yung mga bata. So, hindi niya chinek yung bag. Yeah. In-expect niya lang na walang baon yung mga bata ba? Kasi nga, half day lang sa school. More? Okay. Hugasan ko lang to. Tingnan mo ikaw. Ay, nako. Gusto ko lang naman magluto, Inday. Nung nag-start talaga ako magluto, no? Sabi niya, Mami, sit. Gusto niya sumit dito sa... Dito talaga. Ayaw niya yung maliit kasi hindi niya ako nakikita. Tapos nakita niya yung chicken nuggets. Kain siya. Ito, inom. Wala na. Maaga pa naman, so it's fine. Kakaalis lang ng dalawa eh. Ng tatlo. Including daddy. Swimming, guys. Yum? Uy. Huh? Cook? I know. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna cook. Cook. Hugasan ko ng tubig, tapos ilagay na natin. Yay! So, meron na tong ginger, onion, at saka garlic. Lagay na natin ang sili. Tapos ilalagay ko na din yung salmon. Pero hugasan ko muna. Tapos kailangan ko pang hiwain into 2. Good? Oh. Hugasan. What no? Wala na. Busog na tong ating D, guys. Kumain na ang ating D. Daddy, clap your hands. Indy's here today. Daddy's not here. Where is Daddy? Don't touch! Alright. No. Alright, come on, wash hands, please. Yucky hands. Very yucky hands. See, I need to wipe that before it gets really yucky and sticky. Wait! Ay, nako, hindi. Tingnan mo ikaw.